You need a what? Are they getting bigger and bigger? Now they're getting small again. Nope, they're getting bigger. Whoa. Oh my gosh, where are they coming from? Did you see on the grass how they go up and down? Here, look at Aja. You can see over here on the grass they bounce up and down. Look over there on the grass. They bounce up and down. And here too. Yeah, that's kind of funny, huh? Are they bouncing up and down on the grass? Now they're getting smaller again. Quieter. See how big they are. Look at how big that is. Look at how big that is. See how big that is? It's like a rock. Don't go too far out, Beta. They might get heavy again. Let's put your hood on. Oh, it's getting heavier again. You want to pick one? Okay, well let me hold on to this. And you can... What is it? It's like a little rock that comes from the sky. It's hail. It's a rock made of ice. See, it's gonna get smaller and smaller in your hand. It's gonna melt in your hand.